next we are going to see reaction involving cleavage of carbon oxygen in bond in alcohols. Okay, previous concept we studied involving oxygen hydrogen bond. Okay, right. For this case, dehydration. For dehydration means removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. Okay, so alcohols undergoes dehydration reactions in the presence of protic acids like corn sulfuric acid. Suppose let me take an example for CH3 CH2OH. So in presence of H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin. Okay, so here the elimination reactions takes place. Okay, removal of water means this is alpha. How do you write for this case? C H H and H, then C H H and OH. Okay, so the OH attached that particular carbon is alpha carbon atom. Okay, so the nearest carbon atom is beta carbon atom. Okay, so remove the dehydration takes place. Alpha carbon atom from OH and beta carbon atom from H. Okay, so it undergoes H plus proton. It undergoes, that is this bonded is shifted to here. Okay, so CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Okay, this is for dehydration reactions. Okay, so alcohol in the presence of protic acids to form alkene. Okay, the water molecule is removed. Okay, that is dehydration reactions. Suppose the mild oxidation like H3PO4, the secondary and tertiary alcohols. Let me take example for secondary alcohol CHOH, then CH3. It undergoes mild oxidation, 85% H3PO4, mild oxidation. Okay, at 440 Kelvin. So it undergoes same. Okay, OH, this is for alpha carbon atom, this is for beta carbon atom, this also beta, then we may consider one beta carbon atom, this also beta carbon atom. Then how do you get, for our understanding purpose, shall we write like H then H. Okay, so for removal of OH and removal of, for this beta carbon atom, removal of H. Okay, so it undergoes H2O. Okay, so this bond shifted to here. Okay, so what do you get? CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. Okay, so this is for your alkene. Okay, right. So this is mild. The same thing tertiary alcohol also. CH3 bond CH3, then CH3. This is OH, tertiary alcohol in the presence of 20% H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Okay, at 358 Kelvin. So the same thing. So this is your alpha carbon atom. So here beta carbon, here also beta carbon, or here also beta carbon. So write hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, this OH group removal, alpha carbon atom from alpha carbon atom, and beta carbon H is removal, then H2O. This bond is shifted to here. So CH3 bond C bond CH3 double bond CH2. Okay, this is your alkene. Okay, right. So among these three, primary, secondary and tertiary, primary dehydration reactions takes place in presence of H2SO4. This is con H2SO4. Okay, con H2SO4. Okay, so in presence of strong acids, okay, to form alkene. For the other case like the secondary and tertiary alcohol, it undergoes mild dehydration reactions with mild acids to form alkene. Okay, right. So this among these three, which one is the E's relative strength of tertiary comes first and secondary and primary. Okay, this is for the relative dehydrations for the strength, tertiary and secondary and primary. Okay, so mechanism, next one, mechanism. Okay, so here shall we write? Okay students, next, mechanism. Okay, so how the reactions takes place? So C, H, H and H, then C, H and H. Okay, OH. Okay, this oxygen contains lone pair of electron. The first step, this is step number 1, that is formation of protonated alcohol. Formation of protonated alcohol. Okay, so H plus. Okay, weird. This oxygen contain lone pair of electron, so protonation takes place. Okay, so what do you get? Hydrogen, then hydrogen, then hydrogen, then C, hydrogen and hydrogen, and the protonation takes place. So oxygen positive charge H plus H. Okay, H. Okay, so this is protonation of reactions. The second step, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. Okay, formation of carbocation. So take this the above protonated alcohol, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. So oxygen positive H. Okay, so here carbocation. Okay, so this carbocation takes place. This sigma bond is neutralized with this oxygen. Okay, so carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen, and carbon H, positive charge because carbocation plus H2O. Okay, okay. So after that, deprotonations or formation of ethene by elimination of proton. Okay, so here the above carbocation, carbon, hydrogen, and this carbon, 2 hydrogen bonded with 2 carbocation. So react. This is slow step. Okay, slow step, rate determining step. This is fast step because of the carbocation stability. Okay, so here the deprotonation takes place. Okay, deprotonation takes place. This bond shifted to here to form ethene. H and H plus H plus. Okay, so students, this is your mechanism. Okay, so dehydration means removal of water molecule. Okay, so alcohol undergoes dehydration reactions to form alkene. Primary alcohols, the dehydration reactions in presence of strong acid. At the same time, secondary and tertiary alcohols, the catalyst or the reactions takes place in mild acids like phosphorus acid H3PO4. Okay, so this is your mechanism. Formation of protonated alcohol, then carbocation is formed, then carbocation removal of deprotonation takes place. Finally, we can get alkene. Okay. Okay students, next oxidation. Oxidation means dehydrogenation reactions, removal of dihydrogen from alcohol. How it's happening? The bond break up with CH as well as OH. Okay, so here the bond break up, here the bond break up with CH bond and OH bond. Okay, right. So every time the hydrogenation reactions takes place in alcohol. So the reactions takes place in the oxidizing agents like weak oxidizing agents CrO3 or strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4. Okay, right. So here the first of all you see that whenever the primary alcohol oxidation reactions takes place, it convert into aldehyde and ketone, sorry, aldehyde and acid. Okay, aldehyde then gives acid. Okay, so here there are two types of oxidizing agents there. One is strong oxidizing agent, another one is weak oxidizing agent. Students, you keep it in that in your mind. Strong oxidizing agent means K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. Okay, so weak K2Cr2O7. Okay, this is strong, and KMnO4. So this and all strong oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing agent. So CrO3 and PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, so pyridine with chromium trioxide, pyridine plus hydrochloric acid, the mixture, it gives the pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, that is simply we can say PCC. These two, this is a weak oxidizing agent. Okay, so you keep it in that in your mind, which one is strong oxidizing agent and which one is weak oxidizing agent. Okay, so here you see that primary alcohol in presence of weak oxidizing agent, it gives aldehyde. Okay, so நீங்கள் என்ன பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா, அவங்க வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபாலோயிங் டைப் எதுலனாலும் கேட்கலாம். ஸோ வீக் ஆக்சிடைசிங் இருந்தாலே எப்போவுமே ப்ரைமரி ஆல்கஹால் என்ன தான் கிடைக்கும், நமக்கு அல்டிகைட் தான் கிடைக்குது. அல்டிகைட் இஸ் அ ப்ராடக்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ த சேம் திங் primary alcohol in PCC, same the mild oxidation reactions, so we can get the aldehyde. Okay, right. So here secondary alcohol in presence of weak or mild oxidizing agent to form ketone. Primary alcohol mild oxidation, it gives aldehyde. Secondary alcohol mild oxidation, it gives ketone. Okay, right. So here the same primary, secondary and tertiary in presence of copper at 573 Kelvin, all the reactions, primary the dihydrogen reactions dehydrogenation reactions takes place. The removal of this H2 is removed. Okay, every time this also removed because of dehydrogenation reactions. Okay, right. So here you see in presence of copper at 573 Kelvin, primary alcohol gives aldehyde. Okay, at the same time secondary alcohol copper in 573, it gives ketone. Okay, tertiary alcohol do not undergo oxidation reactions. Okay, so it gives in the presence of copper at 573, the dehydrogenation reactions takes place to form alkene, Okay, so students, you keep it in that whenever you see the strong oxidizing agent present, immediately in the primary alcohol it gives carboxylic acid. Okay, weak oxidizing present, the primary alcohol gives aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives ketone. Okay, this and all for copper in presence of 573, for primary gives aldehyde, secondary gives ketone, tertiary do not undergo oxidation reactions, it gives the alternative product like alkene. Okay, so இது வந்து அவங்க fill up இல்ல completely following ல கேட்பாங்க, how do you find out the presence of oxidizing agent. Okay, in case strong means directly it gives the acid, weak means primary gives aldehyde, secondary gives ketone. Okay, okay children.